Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Mark Hilarious and I'm taking behind the scenes of how applications actually work in production. Service mesh. You see, with your normal service object in Kubernetes, you have a means to send traffic to your pods from anywhere within your cluster. It comes with an IP or a node port or a load balancer and helps you send traffic to your pod. There's an advanced networking object which handles service-to-service communications in Kubernetes. It's known as the service mesh. The service mesh offers you advanced networking, helping you perform more nuanced, advanced actions on the traffic to your pod. For instance, with a service mesh, you can control the amount of data that goes to a particular pod using canary deployments. You can also set up mutual TLS authentications between your pods, so that one pod, a server, and another pod, the clients, they are both able to authenticate and verify where the traffic is coming from. Service mesh can also help you set up policies so that you can determine who can talk to who within your cluster. Not every pod and every application should be able to talk to every other application in your cluster. So service mesh helps you to control that. It also helps you to set up advanced observability on your pod. Now, this is how it functions. So when you deploy a service mesh, maybe you deploy Istio or Linkerd or maybe Console as your service mesh. That service mesh attaches a sidecar, which is just like a small pod to your main pod. So it attaches a sidecar pod which runs a proxy. So every time a request or any traffic is sent to your pod, it has to go through that proxy that is running as a sidecar. Maybe it can be Envoy or any other proxy. And that sidecar then performs all these advanced networking activities. There's some things that you can neglect if your applications are running in a development environment. But when you come to a production environment, you need to take security seriously, you need to take networking seriously. Observability becomes very important for your availability and reliability of your softwares. So service mesh becomes more important as you get into production. I'll see you in the next one.